Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV you're watching. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Wishing you a happy New Year's, and following are the major headlines for today. New Year ushered in with optimism and resolution. Commendable contribution and development programs in the southern region. Tshisekedi re-elected as President of the Democratic Republic of Congo. And a 7.6 magnitude earthquake strikes Japan. On your domestic reports, the people of Eritrea welcomed New Year with renewed optimism, hope, and a commitment to uphold the legacy of their martyrs. During the festive event organized by the residents of Asmara, a strong sense of unity and solidarity was evident. Echoing President Isaias' sentiments in his New Year's address, the participants expressed confidence that 2024 will be a year of significant strides in sustainable development. An Eritrean national returning to celebrate New Year in Eritrea after 18 years in Australia shared his joy and extended well wishes to the Eritrean populace and its defense forces. A Sudanese youth, appreciative of the warm welcome from the Eritrean people and government, highlighted the deep-rooted fraternity between Eritrea and Sudan. He conveyed his New Year greetings to the people of Eritrea, emphasizing the strong bilateral ties. On your last local news, Ms. Ameta Nuguse, Secretary of the People's Front for Democracy and Justice in the Southern Region, has lauded the remarkable contributions made by the PFDJ members in the Southern Region towards the successful implementation of the 2023 development programs and their support for the families of martyrs. Ms. Ameta made these remarks during an assessment meeting held in Mendefera on December 31st. The meeting featured presentations from various branches of the organization and national associations with a focus on activities aimed at enhancing the political awareness of members and strengthening organizational capacity. According to the report presented, over 1 million nafa has been distributed to the families of martyrs thanks to contributions from government employees. Additionally, the residents of the subzones of Mendefera, Senafe, Mai Aini, Dekamhare and Torona have collectively donated 417,605 nafa, which was distributed to the families of martyrs. The report also highlighted extensive water and soil conservation efforts and the organization of seminars designed to increase political awareness among the public. During the meeting, participants engaged in extensive discussions on the reports presented and endorsed various recommendations. Mr. Habtaab Tesfatian, Governor of the Southern Region, commended the PFDJ organizations for its dedication to raising political awareness and strengthening organizational capacity. He urged active participation in the implementation of the outlined development programs for 2024. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. The Democratic Republic of Congo's President Felix Tshisekedi, won re-election with more than 70% of the vote. The country's election commission has announced. The results of the December 20 election were announced in the capital, Kinshasa, on Sunday, amid demands from the opposition and some civil society groups for the vote to be rerun due to massive logistical problems that put the validity of the outcome into question. The election had over 40% turnout, with some 18 million people voting. The results will be sent to the Constitutional Court for confirmation. This is according to Election Chief Denis Kadima. On today's final report, a massive earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 has hit Ishikawa in the central Japan. triggering a tsunami warning for residents to evacuate and prepare for possible aftershocks. A tsunami around 1 meter high struck parts of the west coast along the Sea of Japan, with a larger wave expected, public broadcaster NHK reported today. Footage aired by the NHK appeared to show buildings collapsing in Ishikawa, and tremors shook buildings in the capital, Tokyo, on the opposite coast. Top government spokesperson Yoshimasa Hayashi said in an emergency news conference that authorities were still checking the extent of the damage and warned residents to prepare for possible further quakes. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued tsunami warnings for the coastal prefectures of Ishikawa, Niigata, and Toyama. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. New Year ushered in with optimism and resolution. Commendable contribution in development programs in the southern region. Tshisekedi re-elected as President of the Democratic Republic of Congo. And a 7.6 magnitude earthquake strikes Japan. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and again, Happy New Year.